नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। एक बार फिर से स्वागत है टेक्निकल एंड प्लस में। और आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर के आया हूं कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी के कुछ एमसीक्यूज जो कि लोक सेवा आयोग में पूछे गए थे। तो चलिए बिना देरी करते हुए क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ग्रेडिंग ऑफ द एग्रीगेट इज द कंक्रीट मिक्स ऑफ नेसेसरी टू अचीव। ऑप्शंस आर देयर A, B, C, D। तो ऑप्शन C इज द आंसर, रिडक्शन ऑफ द voids. Move on, second question. The purpose of a concrete compaction is to A, B, C, D are the answers, and option A is the answer, increase in the density. Move on, third question. The test strength of the sample is taken as to average of the strength of. Option B is the answer, 4 specimens. Move on, fourth question. The static modulus of the elasticity of concrete short film loading may be derived as. Options A, B, C, D are there. Then you have to choose a one correct answer. EC equal to under root FCK. Move on to the fifth question. The minimum grade of the concrete for the moderate environment exposure conditions should be. This question had been asked many times in the Lok Seva Ayog. So options are there, A, B, C, D, and the option A is the correct, M25. Move on to the sixth question. Workability of the concrete is directly proportional to A, B, C, D options, and option A is the answer, grading of the aggregate. Move on, seventh. The bottom diameter, top diameter, and the height of the steel modulus used for the slump test are respectively, and heights are given A, B, C, D. So and C is the answer, 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 30 centimeters. Move on, eighth. The addition of the CaCl2 in a concrete results in. Options are there, A, increase in shrinkage, B, decreased setting time, C, decreased shrinkage, D, increased setting time. Then option B is the answer, decreased setting time. Move on to the ninth question. The concrete mix design is achieved as per IOS code A, B, C, D. And D is the answer, 18:456. Move on to the 10th question. As per IS code 456-2000, the organic content of water should, for making concrete, should not be more than A, 200 ml per gram, B, 250 mg per liter, C, 100 mg per liter, D, 150 mg per liter. Then answer is A, 200 mg per liter. Move on to the 11th question. The grade of concrete M20 means that the characteristic compressive strength of 15 cm cube after 20 days is not less than. A, B, C, D are answers, are not answer, and you have to choose one correct answer, and A is the answer, 10 Newton per mm square. Move on to the 12th question. The maximum disable water cement ratio for mild environment exposure should be A, B, C, D, and A is the answer, 0.55. Now 13th question, see. The air entrant in the concrete increase. A, workability, B, strength, C, effect of the temperature variation, D, the unit of weight, and the answer is A, workability. Let's see 14th question. Which of the following act as a retarder for the concrete? This question also has been asked in Lok Seva Ayog in 2015. You can check it out there. And the options are A, calcium chloride, B, calcium lignosulfate, C, aluminum powder, D, none of these, and answer is B. Move on to the 15th question. Identify the wrong statement. A, bulking of sand can go up to 40%. Bulking of sand is minimum at 4.6% moisture content. B, bulking of sand is considered in weight batching of the concrete mix. And D, bulking of the sand occurs due to free moisture film formation over a sand grain. Answer C is correct. सो धन्यवाद दोस्तों। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो घंटा बजा कर के चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें।